you can't really see it because it's white vinyl, but it actually cut right. I gotta weed it, but these are like my bookmarks. Okay. We're just doing some test cuts, but they look pretty good. Guys, so I have cut out some stuff. I'm in the basement, that's why the lighting is terrible. I've got the silhouette out. I've got a whole bunch of stuff. I got my work table. So I cut out some of the images that you saw on there. So where's that one right here? So these are some of the pieces that I had, some of my vinyl. So I'm doing all my test ones now. So I'm getting ready to put the transfer on them. And then I'm going to put them on this laminating sheet, laminate them, and hopefully have a dashboard / bookmark. We shall see. All right, so we're gonna try the pumpkin coffee mugs, bookmark, and then the little pumpkin mug and the pumpkins. So we're gonna try to get those on here. So I'm gonna try to line them up. This is the laminating sheet. Oh, I don't have my tripod down here, so it's hard for me to like film and show you, but I just laid it down on the laminating sheet. So I'm gonna peel this off and then do the next two. All right, now I'm gonna take this upstairs and laminate it and see if I made myself a bookmark. All right, here it is laminated. I'm gonna cut it out. And this is like gonna be like a little deco piece, but these can be like little bookmarks or page markers. Yeah, I'm a little bit obsessed. I love this. So there's like my little page marker. I didn't cut around this one yet. I just did it in a square. Like it could go in like planner pocket, something like that. I think I am gonna cut it out though. And then the pumpkins, and then I've got to do all the rest of them. Oh my gosh, y'all. I did the glitter ones. Of course, there's a filter on it to make it even more sparkly. But y'all, I'm obsessed. I did it. Look at me cutting more. I gotta go get in the shower and get ready for work. I'm doing too much down here. Just having fun. But I got those done. And then, of course, these are the other ones. I still need to get this one laminated. Y'all, I finished my favorite one. Look at it. Don't look at my nails. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. It's my fave. I really like the coffee beans too. Y'all. So fun. All right, I really gotta go to bed this time. I'll see you guys in the next video.